Hello guys and welcome to another video, and today in this video we'll be doing some more PLC programming in Codesys, and today we'll be doing a different video. We'll be doing some more uh, we'll be learning and showing you guys how to do different PLC programmings in LD and FPD here in Codesys, and how smaller and bigger projects, how they work and how the process looks like, because it's all about learning and understanding the processes and how they look and how they work in PLC programming. So I got this inspiration when I looked online, and this project I call Mixer and Heater. So overall idea, what kind of programming this is. This PLC programming will be in LD ladder diagram, and in simple terms, this program is start and stops the system safely, check when the tank is full, start the mixer and stir, and the heater, use timer to control how long things run, stops everything automatically after a set of time or if something emergency happens. So let's start. There's six different networks we'll be using. So first, in network one, we'll be having we're having this one. We'll call this system. Then we'll be having one more called overload. Then we'll have a contact for start. Then we'll be having a branch here, and one more contact that goes under together with the start for the system. Like this. Then we will have one more. Yeah. For stop. And then we will have a coil system. In network 2, we will have, for the valve 1, we will also having two different valves, valve 1 and valve 2. So here we will now have just a normal contact system. And then we will have NC for full, and then we'll have a coil for V1, valve 1, and in network 3 we will have now an contact system, and then we will have NC for valve 2, and then we will also have, when we go into math operators, we will have a GE, and here we will have, it will work like a sensor and watching the level in the tank when we're activating the mixer and filling it up before stirring and heater, and we'll have level is 0 to 100, and then we will have the output will be when it's full. So we go when it's sensoring when the level is 100, then it goes to activate the full. And in network 4, yeah, this is now when we start this activating. Now this mixer is full, and now it starts with the stirring and mixing and the heater. So here now we will have a contact, or we'll name it system. And now we will have one more contact for full with the tag full, and then we will have two set coil, one for stirring the mixer in mixering, and one another for the heater in the mixer. And now in network 5 we will have now one more contact system, and we will have one more for the stir, the mixing, and one more for the heater. So now the system is activating this after we have activated the stirring, the mixing, and the heater. It goes from the system activating to more stir and heater. And now we will have a timer. And how this timer will work is that we will have, we can say 15 seconds. 15 seconds when the stirring, mixing, and the heater is activated at the same time. And when it has gone 15 seconds, the stir and the heater will reset. It will turn off automatically with reset coil. And this is now when we open and activate valve 2. And now in the last network, we will have a contact system, and valve 2 is activated and working. And one more timer we will have, timer 2, and this will work in 5 seconds. So now valve 2 will be activated and turned on in open in 5 seconds, and after that it will turn off and be closed. So here we will have a reset coil 2 in output for valve 2. So yeah, this is how the programming and building up and process in uh, for a mixer with 2 different valves and heater, and for mixing, activate the mixer, can look like the process and how it could be built up in LD ladder diagram. So yeah, I hope you guys, so we can just go through is simply what happens and how short summary. So we press start, system starts, system waits until the tank is full, mixer and heater starts. They run for 10 or 15 seconds. Now we have 15 seconds here. They stop automatically. Stop, emergency, overload are connected together. And if you press stop, then it goes to emergency and then to overload, and we shut down the whole mixer and heater and everything stirring process. So yeah, this was the program I'll be doing more videos like this. I believe it's very fun and very good and very learning for me and for you guys watching these videos, to just learn the process and just learning more how things can look and be built up and work. So yeah, I hope you guys very much liked this video and learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good time.